Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you guys are following this Q45 build, but if you guys are watching this, obviously you guys are. So today, before I get started, hit that subscribe button. It says 80% of my viewers are not subscribed, but they keep seeing my videos. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you catch yourself watching my videos over and over and over again. I appreciate it. And also the like button is very appreciated. If you guys want to talk to me directly, my Instagram is in the description. And if you have a question or anything like that, I also answer the comments almost right away. Just go ahead and do all that stuff, and let's get started with today's video. I already vacuumed the carpet. Today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail or the title, I'm doing the carpet today. The carpet's already out. It's in one of the previous videos down below. So I've already vacuumed it. I got the extractor right there. I got my brush right there, my little jerry-rigged brush system. I also got this today. It's just a regular like sprayer for like the garden and stuff like that, and all that should get out everything. So the reason why I pulled out the carpet before was I wasn't happy with like how the carpet came out, and also I don't think I let it dry enough. So I'm gonna, when I finish, I'm just gonna leave it in the garage to dry, and hopefully I can get more stains out and stuff. Obviously I couldn't get like the edges of where the center console was. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, you can see where the line is, where the center console sits. It's just dirty right there. Then this is the driver floor mat, another floor area. Obviously it's gonna be all messed up. These people didn't have floor mats down when I bought the car, so everything's like padded down. They spilled something right here. I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera, but it's not fluffy. We'll see if I can get more of that out. Same thing with the passenger side, it's all padded down because the last owner didn't have floor mats on it. I think the best spot right here is honestly the back passenger, or the back driver side. It's the most padded, or not, like most fluffy. Other than that, the rest of the carpet's kind of like pretty pushed down. Well, let's get started. The water's gonna turn brown. The brush is already brown from the last time I did it, and I don't really have a water hose, so that's why I have all these gallons right there. And I couldn't wash this off last time, but it's not gonna matter because it's gonna turn brown again anyways. And let's go for time lapse.
from afar, got my thoughts in the sky. Where we used to kiss, sunshine, shit, and why you gotta call me every day, pretend you my baby. I see more real out there lately, it's crazy. Yeah, we could be the same, let's reclaim in this kingdom shit and keep it tame, come on. Baby, girl, we're not the same. Two different speeds, but we keep it one lane. Yeah, what goes around comes around, keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul like a dawn, put the stereo on.
Alright, so I'm gonna end the video right there because my battery died. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm gonna leave a bunch of the extraction in there. But this is the driver's side. I haven't finished it yet. It still looks the same. This is the passenger side. Looks a little dirty on camera, but it's honestly a lot better. So I'm gonna leave the carpet in the garage right now after I'm done with the driver's side. I think I'm running out of water too, but I'm gonna do that and let the carpet dry. That's gonna be it. If you guys have questions about what I did, so I used, what is it? My garage is a mess right now, but super clean. So I used, I bought this thing. This thing honestly sucks. If you guys can find a better one, it just needs to be a sprayer. I just bought one of these because I had 4 stars, but I got a bad one. It leaks air from the top and there's not enough pressure in the line, but it did the job for today. And then for the extractor, I used the Bissell Spot Clean Pro Heat. So this was like 15 bucks. This was like 150, 120 I think. And I used a swirly brush from Chemical Guys. Just attach this to my impact because I don't have a drill, and I just put a socket at the end. It's the same size as this, and that's it. Oh, let me go ahead and dump out some of this water for you guys. Looks soapy right now, but it's dirty. Alright guys, watch. It's how dirty, you could already see it. That's just the passenger side. Yeah, you see all the leftover dirt. So I already cleaned this side of the carpet once before, and that's the second pass. So that goes to show how dirty that carpet was. It's pretty gross, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna smell a lot better. It's gonna look a lot better. And I'm not stopping here. I also got the floor mats back here. Here's my old trunk. It's on top of the floor mats, but I got the original floor mats right here, and I got the original back floor mat right here. I'll clean those up. I still gotta put my trunk panel back in. I got 2 of them, so I need to see which one's better, and then I'll put that one back in. I need to find a spot for this trunk, but. And here's all the interior pieces. I think I'm gonna have to wait until next week to put all that stuff back in because this carpet needs to dry. But that's gonna be it for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you guys want to see more, because I am actually, an opportunity has come up. I might buy a second one and I'll do the same stuff all over again, but there's gonna be different scenarios obviously because it's a different car. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below. And there's gonna be more videos about this car. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, keep it cruising. See you guys next time.
And there she goes. Heart that pounds like a stereo.